Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to day 6 of my 100K funding journey. And today it is Monday. It is Monday, January. What does that date say? My screen share can say it, but it's January 15th. Right now it is about 8:48 in the morning. I'm just getting ready for my day. I'm about to start editing day 5. So right now I'm on day 6 of the vlog, but I'm about to edit day 5 right now so I can upload that today. I'm also about to get a whole bunch of reels, clips, and everything from the VIP trading sessions, from my mentorship sessions, my podcast. I'm about to create a couple clips that I could post today. I like to get those done within the morning, but I'm not going to show you guys that because, like I said, I don't think you guys care. If you want to see more of my editing process, my workflow when it comes to editing, what I use to edit, all those different things, just comment below. Make sure you let me know so I know to show you guys. But with that being said, we're just going to get my day started. We're going to hop on the charts in about 30-40 minutes. Right before the 9:30 open, I'll probably hop on around 9:20, 9:25, get the VIP trading session, get the live trading, everything, and just get it organized. And we're gonna start the week off good. Let's get productive. Let's have a good day. Let's have a good week, and let's go off with a bang. We're still in this trade. Crazy. But yeah, we're still inside of this one trade on US30. I haven't taken any other trade. It's the only trade I've taken today. It's just mad slow. I don't think there's going to be a lot of volume. Today's Martin Luther King Day. I did like the setup. The only thing that was going against me was the volume. I took it at the right time. I took it at a higher time frame fair value gap. Everything aligned with the way I trade. I even risk less on this trade. So that's why I'm not really mad about the trade that's not playing out. But it is in profit. It is going slowly but surely, as I showed you guys. But it's not looking too good overall. It's just real slow. Volume's not there. I'm up $50, and I think the most I was up was 100. I haven't hit TP1 yet, none of that. So it's just one of them days where I don't think I'm gonna end up holding this trade, and it's coming back to break even right now, honestly. So part of me may end up just closing it at break even just because I've been holding this trade for a long ass time and it's just not playing out. The volume's not there. Just a slow day, but we started the week off good. Not a losing day, but we shall see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. But all right, so we're back. So what ended up continuing to happen was the trade never fully played out. Unfortunately, since today's Martin Luther King Day, the market did close early. So if we look at the position, my computer's turning off, but if we look at the position overall, the market closed at 1 o'clock. It is 1:20, so it's closed 20 minutes ago. And it closed right where the entry is. So the only thing that made me close the trade and didn't just wait for it to open again is that Top Step doesn't allow me to trade past 4 o'clock, so I can't hold a trade past 4, and the market's not going to open until after 4, so it would violate one of the rules. So I just had to call it a day, and I just took a $34 loss from where the market had closed at. So it is what it is. Wasn't ideal, but just another break-even day. 6 break-even days, but we'll see what we can catch tomorrow. Oh yeah. Oh, about to go to my car. This is the ending. I don't even remember where I parked, but this is the ending of day 6. I'm not even sure these days, but all I know is another break-even day. But we're gonna talk about it once I get to the car. Alright, I'm about to start heading to the gas station, give you guys this little POV while I talk to you guys. One thing I kinda wanna do, I need to get a wide angle lens. That is definitely something I need to get. But overall, today was an okay day. I'm not mad at it. It was Martin Luther King Day, so it was a bank holiday, and that is why we didn't get as much volume as I originally was expecting for the trade. But overall, it was still a good trade idea. But at the end of the day, just because it was a good trade idea doesn't mean it's going to play out. The market conditions weren't the best. The volume just wasn't there. And overall, look what happened. We ended up just getting a trade that overall just didn't play out in general. It's actually playing out right now. If I were to show you guys the market, I'll show you guys once I pull into the gas station, the actual market. But the trade looks like it was actually going to play out if I would have continued to hold it. But like I said, with Top Step's rules and everything, I couldn't hold past that 410. So it is what it is. But overall,
Not mad at it. It was a minus $30 day, which is the first down day of the actual challenge. The other days were break-even days also, but they were in profit. I actually made money, but this trade actually was the first losing trade of the challenge, but it is what it is. Only a $30 loss, so we still got enough money to be able to still pay for the next trade, so I'm not too mad at it. We just got to see what the next day looks like. We shall see, but overall, challenge is going good and slow. I wanted to try to pass it this month, but it may take a little bit longer. I think there is a monthly fee apparently for the challenge. I think for the combine. I'm not 100% sure. I'm bringing you guys along with this journey with me. I don't know as much as a lot of you also know, and that's why I'm documenting the journey as I know, as I get experience, as I try new things, and as I just do all these things in general. But damn, this light's taking forever. Hopefully the quality and everything's good. This camera isn't too good at night, but I wish it was a little bit wider so I can get it maybe from a little bit of a higher angle, but it'll do for now. Oh yeah, this would have been playing out good. Hold on. This would have been playing out real good. Look at the trade. Damn, come on, focus. Oh, got a green light. But overall, it would have been playing out, as you guys can see. But it is what it is. I couldn't hold it. If I could have held it, I would have. But due to the rules Top Step has, like I said, I couldn't hold it. If it was up to me, I would have just taken that trade and held it into the actual as long as I could, just because I took that trade for a reason. I would put my seatbelt, but the gas station is literally, like I can see it, is right over there. Watch out, car. Pull into this gas station. Gotta get some backwoods. Damn. They got a lot of people here right now. I do not know why. But yeah, I'm not gonna bring the camera in there because I ain't that level yet with the camera. If you look, you can see prices actually falling from the area that I had got in, but like I said, Top Step wouldn't let me hold it, so it is what it is. Would have played out, would have been close to TP1 now, but even then, look what time it is. It's 6:44. It's not ideal. The likelihood that price is really gonna play out just isn't likely. So we'll just see what's up tomorrow. I think DXY should have kept pushing. Oh, it actually consolidated. Oh, hey, you win some, you lose some. I can actually show you guys the Trade Evade account while I'm here, so I don't have to do the little signing out process of the vlog at the house. So I can do it in a little bit different area. Let's see, balance sheet. So far the account is at 100,295. Like I said, we're still up enough to be able to pay for the trades. If we look at the overall today, the performance was, I lost $34. I lost $30 on the actual trade, but I'm pretty sure $4 was commission. If it will focus. Yeah, $4 was the commission, $34 in total I lost. $30 is what I lost on the trade when the market closed. So it is what it is. One trade, one loss. And if you look at everything, like I said, on the whole account, we're still overall up. So I'm not going to be too mad. We could be in negative. So let's just take it slow. Keep doing what we're doing.
Welcome back. And today I took a London session trade. So I'm actually in profit right now. We're finally up a good trade right now. Let's look at it. All right, so now that we're in the charts, you can see the trade is still playing out slowly. I'm going to just get rid of everything real quick and just walk you through my main trade ideas. So the main thing, just to keep it simple, the main reason I wanted to see price go long on US 30 during London session was, for one, we ran below one previous day's low, two previous days low. We ran through two previous days low going into that 2-3 a.m. because if you guys paid attention inside of the private inner circle, not the VIP chat, this was actually something I sent in the free activity chat, the free inner circle. I sent the trade with the expectation that once price runs these lows, I wanted to see price go higher. Why? Because price has been extremely bullish overall long term, but for the past 2, 3, 4, 5 days, it's been very bearish. Multiple bearish days, multiple times where we had multiple lows very close to each other. We had one daily low, 2 daily low, 3 daily lows, all in the same area. So when price was building up and creating all this consolidation to run this low at 3 a.m., which is the open of London session, that is what led me to take the trade. And as you guys can see, if you paid attention to the screen recording
of the actual trade that I took, you could see I took it during the right time. The main thing that you guys need to understand, when we're taking trades, we want to position ourselves in the correct time so that we can catch good volume. Because look at the trade down here that I was able to catch today. I was able to get in around the run of this low all the way down here, and now I'm able to hold for the full expansion to my target, which is the previous day, not previous day, the previous Asian session high, which is right up here. And this is a very simple trade. The basis of this trade was just a false break of a previous day's low at a high probability time. The time is everything. There's a reason I trade 9:30 in the morning. There's a reason I trade at 3 a.m. Now, I don't trade London session all the time, but if I were to trade London like I did today, I would be trading that 2 to 3 because that is the equivalent to trading 9 to 9:30 a.m. during New York session. It's just you got to know what time you got to be there, and you got to know what types of setups you look for. Me personally, I like to look for false break moves, and that's exactly what I got. I wait for price to run below old lows or highs, and then I look to reverse those moves by catching the low end of the wicks during the right times. Simple as that. It's a clean trade idea. We're going to see if it hits TP. We're almost there. We had negative news at 8:30, which was 5 minutes ago. So hopefully the news can get us to this TP so I can get out of this trade. And I may take another trade today, but it's not going to be on the challenge account if this plays out. This is going to be the last trade of the account for today because I already took one loss this morning. I took the loss originally doing the same trade, but I took it once we ran this first low. And then once we ran the second low, that's when I took the trade. So it is what it is. I took a small $200 loss, and on this trade, I'm going to make it all back, plus more if this fully plays out. So we're going to see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated, and let's just stay productive. All right, so I'm coming back to you guys in my humble bedroom, but I'm about to pop up right here, probably this chart. But overall, I just want to show you guys the trade and everything. It's all playing out perfectly. And the only thing I don't like, you may hear the shower right now, but don't mind the shower. I'm gonna just talk loud enough so you hear me. But the only thing that I didn't like is the fact that on Top Step, if I'm not using a large enough contract, I simply just cannot take position. I can't like take partials. I can't take partials. So if I'm using one contract, I can't take partials, and it sucks because I would like to hold runners. I love to hold runners, but in this case, this is what it is. But I was able to catch this trade on my live account. This wasn't on the challenge account. This was totally separate. That's the trade I showed you. I made $160 on the small account catching this trade. Earlier, the account is the 100K account is actually just sitting at, I think, 100,500. I took the one loss in London session. I took one win, so I made the loss and made a little bit on top of it. So that paid for that because we did get a major retracement into New York session that I did show you guys. So if you pay attention to the previous clips, you would have seen that we had a crazy retracement. Like price went all, I was up like $600-700 when I woke up from London session early in the morning. And then by the time New York 9:30, 10 o'clock came around, boom, we had a big retracement. And I can even show you guys here on the charts. You guys look at this. And that's what led me to switch my bias. But even though I was already up on the 100K account, I didn't want to trade it. So I just traded my small live account. And that's the trade that happened. And overall, the main reasoning for this trade was simply, if we just get rid of everything and go to the daily time frame, I was watching this daily fair value gap right over here.
So right over there, that daily fair value gap, if I go back to the 1 hour time frame, you can see if I were to get rid of all of these markups, I'm not in the trade so they don't matter right now, but if I go mark up this daily fair value gap, you're going to see that's going to be right where I had took that entry, right over here. And basically with the anticipation that price was going to overall keep dropping, because after price ran the London low and I was wrong for the longs, I just came to the conclusion that price is more than likely going to keep digging lower. Why? Because the DXY is bullish, so I just figured we were more than likely going to keep moving bearish overall. I got in at the daily fair value gap around 10 o'clock with a stop loss of about 50 points on, and since I was on US30, I had about a 50-point stop loss, and I had that right above the 8 a.m. high, expecting price to not run the 8 o'clock high. Why? Because we had news at 8:30, so I was expecting that high was going to be safeguarded, and price was going to be able to continue moving lower, and that's what we got. Now, even though I didn't capture a crazy move because we're on a small account, 160 points is a great move. If I was using a 0.02, that would have been 300 something, almost $400. So it is what it is. But with that being said, that was the trade. I'm going to also show you guys the top step and everything, credentials, when that all loads up later, because it's only 2 o'clock right now, and the credentials for top step don't allow you to see them until I think the market closes, and that's all the way. We got like 2-3 hours until then. So when the account metrics update and everything, I'll see you guys with that. But until then, I'll see you in a couple seconds.
Okay, so even though the credentials are a little bit messed up, I will show you guys everything else because these seem to be right so far. So it says the best day is $450. That is actually incorrect. I have not made that much in a day as of yet. That may have been a good trade, but I have not had a successful $450 trade yet, at least for the day, trading day. The worst day was $34, which is accurate. The worst day I've had so far was minus $34, which was yesterday, which was a break-even day. And it says for the week I'm up $417, which is also not accurate. So right now, this isn't even really 100% updated. Days complete, 7% of winning is 86. And you can see down here, my risk reward is about a 1 to 1.6. And all the days from down here, so yeah, as you can see, all the days are in here. So January 16th isn't even calculated inside of this. So that is what it is. But overall, the account challenge is going pretty good so far. Can't complain. The market has given us okay moves. We haven't had the best conditions, but we can't complain. We take what we can get. But yeah.
So with that being said, I'm going to be ending off day number 7 or 6. I think this is actually going to be both. I'm not sure exactly. You'll know by the title and you'll know from wherever you're watching. But make sure you join the VIP Trading Network. We just had a new change of price, so now there's going to only be $50 a month for you to watch us trade live, take the same trades as us live, and trade with all 20 of us every single morning and just learn and earn as a trader. So if you want to join that, make sure you join to be here for tomorrow's trading session. With that being said, make sure you stay safe, stay productive, and make sure you fear being average. And also just make sure you click the links in the descriptions to check out all my services. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.